Here is a polynomial that is being divided by two terms. You may see it written as a fraction or in parentheses divided by the two-term binomial. There are 4 steps of doing long division, and we use long division whenever we're dividing by two terms. The terms that are being divided are the terms on top in the first polynomial or the ones in parentheses. So we put this inside our division. This is being divided by our two-term polynomial x plus 6, so we put this on the outside. For our first step, we take the first inside term and we divide it by the first outside term. So we'll divide x squared by x. To show the process, I've put this over at the side. We subtract the exponents for x, and we get x to the power of 1, or just plain x. We write the result at the top. This completes our first step. Next, we multiply the term at the top by both outside terms. We first multiply x times x, and then x times 6, and we write the result underneath these terms inside. This completes our second step, so now we're ready for the third step. We subtract by changing the signs of these bottom terms, and then we add. Here I've changed the signs in red. Our first two terms will always be opposites and cancel. We add positive 4 and negative 6x and get negative 2x. And then for our fourth step, we bring down the next term. We've now completed the first 4 steps, so we start again with step 1. We take the first inside term and divide it by the first outside term. So we take negative 2x and divide it by x. When we divide, the x's cancel and we're left with negative 2, so we put the result at the top. Next, we multiply negative 2 times both outside terms, negative 2 times x and negative 2 times 6, and we write the result underneath. We draw a line, and this completes step 2. So we next do step 3. We subtract by changing the signs of these the bottom terms, and then we add. Here I've changed the signs in red. Our first two terms will always be opposites and cancel. We add negative 14 and positive 12 and get negative 2. We don't have another term to bring down, so this completes our division, and negative 2 at the bottom is our remainder. So to write our remainder, we go up at the top to the right of the answer and put a plus sign. We put a plus here. Now we write our remainder as a fraction. We put negative 2 over our two-term divisor, x plus 6. Here is our completed problem, and this is our answer, x minus 2 plus negative 2 over x plus 6.